Okay, guys, so we'll be going over how to deposit and withdraw using Forex Broker. All right, so what you're going to be doing is clicking the link that's below, and it will take you to this website. It's called Apex Markets, and this is the name of the broker that we'll be using. And honestly, I've been using this broker for like a few weeks right now, and trust me, it has been extremely reliable, and it's a really good and trusted broker. All right. This broker has really low spreads and also really low fees. Most brokers normally charge anywhere between $7 to $8 per standard lot when it comes on to commission fees, but this one charges you $6. So you're getting even lower fees, and the spreads are it's just crazy. The spreads are just extremely low on this. All right. So we're gonna get to signing up, guys. So what you're gonna need to be doing is inputting your email. So I'm going to use this email as an example. All right, so we're going to need a password as well. Just need to enter it twice to verify, and you're going to input your name and etc. Right? So I'm just going to call this Prolific Academy, the date of birth. Let's input your date of birth right there. This example, I'm going to put a 26th of hold on. I'm going to put the 26th of January. I want to put the 26th of January. All right, there we go. 1996. That's fine, right? So the 26th of January 1996, let's just use that. And you're going to input your phone number. Now, the phone number section, it must start with a dial code, which is going to be the plus sign. And since you're in Jamaica or any other country, just make sure that you input in the plus sign. I'm putting 1876. Then I'm going to input my phone number, which you can do this. 175. If you don't enter it like this, then it will not allow you to go further, right? Now, the country is going to be Jamaica or any other country that you're from. You can put in your parish. So I can just input St. James right here. And put in St. James. And the city is Montego Bay. Postal code is going to be 50, so let's input that. And your street address, you can put anything in. So you can probably call it downtown, whichever one you want, right? In this case, let's say my street address is Flanker. Let's just say that Flanker, right? You're gonna click the agree button. Ensure that you select I'm not a robot. Then you sign up. Sign up process is super easy. So now where it's going to take you to this page after you finish signing up. Now you have an MT5 Pro account. You can create a demo account if you want, but it automatically gives you a live account. Now deposit. Now depositing is super easy. As I said, it's very super easy. Now before we go to the depositing method that I use, which is super fast, we're gonna first need a CX.io account. So we need a CX.io account. We're gonna sign up. Hold on. So you're gonna sign up. It's super secure. As you can see, it's asking me to input a certain code. So let's input it real quick to authorize me to go inside. All right. Now, once you sign up, you're gonna verify the information, sign up. And once you've done so, now you're gonna need this cryptocurrency wallet in order to deposit and withdraw. All right. So let's go to client office back here. Then you're going to click on Bitcoin because we're using the Bitcoin method. We can use a credit card using your card. You can use a bank transfer, but I'm using the Bitcoin method because you won't have any issues with any bank regarding this, right? So you're going to get a Bitcoin wallet address, and this is a wallet for your trading account. So we're going to need to copy this address right here. This is it. Copy it. can just click the copy button right here, and we're gonna need it to deposit the funds into, right? So once we verify your CX.io account, now we're gonna need to deposit in your wallet, meaning in the cryptocurrency wallet. So you're gonna click on deposit, and you're gonna input the amount in USD that you need. So I have a card here already. So let's say I need about $20, right? So let me go ahead, deposit. And it's super easy. Once you link your card to it, which is a Visa card method, it's gonna automatically take it out your account. So deposit, and as you can see, the card deposit is successful. Now we're gonna click this X button up here, close. Now we have $20 that's available. Cool. Now, since we have $20 that's available, now we need to convert that $20 into Bitcoin. All right. So watch this. So let's say now we're gonna need to go to, we can stay on the same screen, scroll down, and we're gonna go to this section right here. Then we need to buy Bitcoins. Now we need to buy Bitcoin at a market price, right? Meaning whatever it's worth currently in the market right now. So the amount of USD you want to spend, what we have available there is $20, right? As you can see, $20.65. Now we're gonna buy some Bitcoins, and it's gonna show you the conversion, which is this amount. So buy now, order has been completed. As you can see over here now, it's now being converted, right? So now we have the Bitcoins available. So now what we need to do, which is the next step. Now remember guys, from the broker, we need to copy this address because this is the wallet we need to deposit in. Now what we're going to be clicking over on CX.io is a button withdraw. Once you click the withdraw button, we're gonna need to go to Bitcoin as a cryptocurrency because that is what we have available. Now, first, enter the recipient's address below, right? So in a case like this, what we're gonna need to do is, as I said, we already copied this address over because this is the wallet that we're withdrawing it to or sending it to. Paste, acknowledge their terms and agreements. You're gonna input the amount of Bitcoin that we want to send over, and what we have available is this amount. So copy, paste. Okay, so it says the minimum amount should be this, so we should have more basically, right? So we need to get more Bitcoins. I recommend getting up to $50 worth. That's fine, right? This is just the Bitcoin method. As I said, it's really fast. Now we can click the withdraw button. Once you click the withdraw button, it will actually withdraw it over, and you should be seeing like a transaction area. I have it available right now, but because I need to deposit more, that's why. But once it does, it's gonna be removing it out. And once you go to click on this screen, and you can go to, I think it's finance. You go to finance, and you go to transactions. It will tell you that you have an order that's you're withdrawing, right? You're gonna see something like this, and it usually takes like a few minutes. Then it will be available in your trading account, right? So I'm gonna go over to my real account so you guys can see what I'm talking about, right? So let's go over. Okay, perfect. So now since we are on the broker again, now the account that you have and created, it will be deposited here, and the balance will show right here. As you can see, I have a live account with over $8,000 US. Now you can start trading. You're gonna have the credentials being sent to your account. You're gonna use the account number. So what you're gonna do on MT5, you're gonna need the MT5 application. You're gonna go to MT5 and go to accounts and go to existing accounts. Then you're gonna type in Apex capital markets or Apex markets. Once you type in Apex, it will come up. Let's look for this logo right there. Now with a logo, you just input the account number, which will be listed right here. And you can change the password. You can change the password of that account if you want to whatever you want it to be. All right. So just ensure that you change the password to something that you need. Once you logged into MT5, you'll see the funds in your MT5 account. Now you can start trading. Now, withdrawals. Withdrawals is super, super easy. It's just basically doing the same process in reverse, right? So let's say we want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw like $100, all right? Withdraw, and I'm doing Bitcoin. And now it's asking you for the address that you're sending it to and the amount that in USD. So let's say I want to input 100 USD. It will tell me that I'll receive this amount of Bitcoin, right? Now the crypto wallet address, which we're going to go to cx.io. We're going to go here, click on the logo right here. Then you're going to see use cx.io wallet. Now we need to scroll down and we need to go in the section where it says Bitcoin. Now we're going to click on the deposit button because we're actually putting money in it, right? So it's going to give you the Bitcoin wallet address, which you need to copy. Then we need to paste it over to our broker area right here. Then we click the withdraw. Withdraw has been successfully sent. As you can see, it has been taken out of the account, right? So we can go back over here. It has been taken out of the account. So let me just refresh the screen real quick. Okay, so basically you can see where it has been taken out the account. The balance might show the same, but it has been taken out actually, right? Now, it should be available in over here when you get the Bitcoin receipt, right? So I'm looking in the transactions area. It takes a few minutes to convert and reach. So we're gonna resume and come back when it's available, okay? Okay, so basically once you've done the withdrawal, as you can see, it shows that it's pending. It's not in the account as yet, but it's pending. But once it's done, you'll actually see the Bitcoin become available. You'll see it become available. And then once it's available now, we need to convert the Bitcoins to USD cash, all right? So now what we're gonna need to do is this. We can go to a trade screen right here. We're gonna scroll down and we're going to go into market. And now we need to sell our Bitcoin for USD cash. So the amount that is right here, we're gonna need it. Copy. We're gonna paste the amount of Bitcoin that we want to sell. And it shows that it estimated in 20 US dollars. You see that? 20 US dollars. Now we're gonna sell it. So it's gonna give us 20 US dollars. So now you can see it become available right here. Now we can withdraw, all right? Withdraw it to a bank account. Now I use a card method and upload into it. So I'm just gonna withdraw it back to my card and it should be instant. So let's say I'm doing this. I'm going to input $20 right here. 20. Of course, there's gonna be fees. And this is just for convenience, you know? So I don't mind paying for convenience if I'm getting like really good service. So withdrawal, then it's gonna send me a 2-factor authentication code to confirm the withdrawal that we'll be doing. So once I get this code here, I'll just input it. So let me just go ahead. You have requested to withdraw 20 US dollars. All right. So close, then you can see it's all gone. Completed. All right. So that means basically it has been fully withdrawn and it should go back to your bank account or the card that you use to upload it. All right. So, all right. So as you can see, withdrawal has been confirmed, and basically you'll see where it says completed, and you should see it available on the card or on your in your bank account immediately. And this is if you're using the card method, which right back to the card, it will be available immediately, which you can be able to use your funds. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys, fully understand, and trust me, this is extremely reliable. You should not have any issues going forward with this method. Okay. All right. So see you guys in the next video.